MIMERA na mbegu cia bangi o hamwe na indo ingĩ cia guthondeka ndawa muthemba wa cocaine na heroine nicio ihithukitio mugunda-ini umwe mwena wa MWAMBUNGO kaunti-ini ya Kwale. Kuringana na maabitha a DCI nimarikitie guikia ngono andu atatu aria ni ekuirwo anene, umwe wao ari MURAIYA wa bururi wa Italy.
So we still verily believe that this is part of a wider cartel, and the entire Italian national might have been using this as a front operating base, and he could be connected to some other international drug cartels. We don't believe he's alone in this mission. The investigation is in progress. We also appreciate the support of our international partners.
Mugunda-ini uyu wa makiria ma MWE niguo koretwo ugitwarithirio mihango ya ukuria na uthondeki wa dawa cia kurebia. Maabitha a DCI makiranira gutabania uthuthuria makiria.
As you are all aware that illicit drugs is a transnational organized crime. It does not respect any borders.
Mihango ya uthuthuria hamwe noguo ni yambiriirio niguo gukurana ekuirwo angi na ningi gukurana kuria dawa icio iratanyagwo kwendio.
We need to fight collectively and internationally, and also in the spirit of global partnership. As a country, we have zero tolerance to issues of drugs, and it is our hope that we shall at one time be able to make our society a drug-free society.
Kiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.